in the middle.
Oh, right there. I mean,
Yeah,
Boom Boom was...
I saw that punch and
As early
I knew
as
then.
the first
Look,
knockdown,
look at
I
it.
don't think he was going to go anywhere after that.
Yeah, he was,
left and then... Oh, right,
Right
and
there
then
on the
left.
chin.
Goes to the chin.
you know,
Sapul flush on the chin.
I knew that kasi karamihan na natamaan, you know, all the punches that drop Boom Boom is right in the middle.
At saka at that point, Nonito, panic.
Yeah.
Panic.
And
Matalo
it
ba ako?
looked niya, di
So
ba?
early, masyadong maaga eh.
Tinamaan ako, panic ito. Yung look niya, yung glassy-eyed look na panic ito.
Glassy-eyed.
Well, that hit him
Well,
solid.
he got hit
You know
solid.
what? He's a kid. He's still a kid in this boxing, and Ponce wanted this fight more than he did, and he came at it. Kasi ang prediction ko dito, whoever catches them, you know, sa kanila, whoever's first.
Yun ang sabi nga.
Yeah, whoever's first is gonna win the fight, and apparently si Ponce yung first dito ngayon.
In a short while, we'll go to Lupe Gonzalez, who will give us the official time of the end, actually. And what I knew it, sa press conference pa lang nung nakita ko si Ponce de Leon sa hallway dito sa Argos, sabi ko, wow, iba itsura nito.
Well, kakaibang paghahanda
Let's
ginawa
listen.
niya. Nagpakalbo para sa laban. Ready for war. He came to win and he did it.
Starts the fight with an official time